Mommy, you a champion.
On a road, go do the thing now. Herbal laws, magical laws, yeah.
Welcome to a herbal vlog. Yeah, on the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube. Yeah, man, we plant natural herb for tea and vegetables. Yeah, man, welcome once again. This pipe was placed here, a little method shared by a friend of mine, because of not a lot of rain fall in this area, just to ensure that the root of the plant get water. Isn't she beautiful? Yes, strikingly beautiful. Also want to share in this video a start the week juice recipe. Yeah, man, start the week with strength, no weakness. You're a champion. You deserve honor. So if you watch the video from the beginning, you will see the caption of the different fruits and vegetable that is used in this recipe. Yeah, man. This juice recipe will aid in boosting your energy and your immune system. Yeah, man. Allow you to be productive for the entire week. Yeah. Share this video with a friend or family. Yeah, you may know a friend or a family that complaining about being tired. Yeah, man, share this recipe with a friend or a family so that they can boost their energy and immune system. Time for me to enjoy this juice blend. Yeah, man, share, subscribe, share with a friend, share with a family. See you in another one.